Hi guys, kain tayo guys. Tea time. Thank you so much guys. Shout out sa lahat. Yummy. Yan guys, very smooth. Very smooth may gawa. Practice lang guys pag may time. Thank you guys. Kain tayo guys. Tadaan! Done! Dahil na guys yung ating pandesal. Aray ko pandesal. Practice pa more si pandesal. Ayan, lumaki na rin. Aray ko, lumaki na rin siya. Yan na guys, ang ating pandesal. Thank you so much for watching guys. Sa ating pandesal. Yan guys, luto ng ating pandesal guys. Pandesal. Kain tayo guys, pandesal guys with tea. Practice lang guys pag may time until success. Kaya hindi pareho ang laki guys. Tingnan guys, oh. Hindi siya pareho ng laki. Thank you so much guys. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please paki-subscribe Malo Saludis. At huwag kalimutan kalimbangin ang bell button para sa sunod na aking video. Updated po kayo. Thanks for your love and thanks for your support always. I love you guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.